Can we set aside rank for a minute? I don't particularly like you. I think you're insubordinate, arrogant, willful, and you're not particularly a good cop either. On the other hand, you're the best man we have in ops. You want to disagree with me? Fine. You want to take it to the board? Fine. Through me. The next time you go around my back, I'll slap you so hard you'll feel like you're cleaning toilets on the night shift in the middle of next Thursday. Is that how you really see me? The eternal pessimist? The Grim Reaper? You think I want to die?